Number 1. Up for your consideration is a 1940 Ford two-door sedan deluxe project car, priced at $9,500 in Elk River, Minnesota. This vehicle features an automatic transmission with a black exterior and black interior. It's equipped with a mostly stock 283 engine from a 1965 Chevy Impala and a Powerglide transmission, mounted using a bolt-in conversion kit. The body is in good condition, though it has filler in some spots, and the rear driver's side window is cracked. It has a disc brake conversion in the front and stock 1957 Ford brakes in the rear, with Coker Classics L7815 rear and G7815 front tires. The car needs exhaust work, rear-end mounting improvements, a wiring harness, and transmission shifter improvements. A clear title is in hand, and it's available for purchase via PayPal or cash only. No test drives or trades. Number 2. Introducing the 1941 Plymouth 4-door hardtop with suicide rear doors, available for $6,500 in Wyoming, Minnesota. This car has a manual transmission and a gray exterior. It starts right up and runs great, having been converted to a 12-volt starter. For more information, prospective buyers are encouraged to call Gary, as he prefers not to communicate via text messages. This vehicle is well suited for those looking for a classic car experience. Number 3. Here we have a 1951 Cadillac Fleetwood sedan 4-door listed for $5,500 in Las Vegas, Nevada. This limousine features a purple exterior with a gray interior and is equipped with a V8 331 cubic inch 5.4-liter engine. Despite its clean car and body and original paint, it won't shift into drive or reverse. It includes new battery, water pump, gas tank, and electrical fuel pump. Upgraded to 12 volts, the car boasts power windows. This rare Series 75 limousine comes with a clean California title and is available for viewing by appointment only. The seller prefers cash but is open to trades plus cash. Number 4. For sale is a 1951 Chevrolet Deluxe, priced at $10,000 in Osceola, Wisconsin. This two-door sedan has a manual transmission and features a blue exterior and interior. The car runs and drives well, featuring an inline-6 engine with dual exhaust. It's an older restoration, and while the paint isn't perfect, it's a solid car that turns heads. The interior is mostly original, with the carpet inside and in the trunk replaced. The car comes with a spare motor, purchased for chrome bolt-ons. The seller is not interested in trades and expects serious buyers to come for a test drive. Number 5. Next is a 1951 Ford Crown Victoria available for $3,000 in Henderson, Nevada. This car has been owned by 2 people and has a solid body, though the trunk and steering box are locked up. This car does not run and will need to be towed, making it a good foundation for a rat rod or custom project. The title is clean and in hand. Number 6. Available for $3,700 in Winsted, Minnesota, is a 1953 Packard Clipper Standard. This vehicle has an automatic transmission and a red exterior with an off-white interior. This car features a straight 8 engine that runs great. The master cylinder and tie rod end are new, but need to be replaced before driving on the road. This vehicle is a solid choice for enthusiasts looking to complete a few minor repairs. Number 7. Here is a 1954 Chevrolet for sale at $9,500 in Hudson, Wisconsin. The car features a manual transmission and boasts a blue exterior with an off-white interior. The interior is in original condition with some updates, including 5 radial tires, new brakes, a radiator, exhaust, and a tune-up. The car runs, drives, and stops as it should. It also includes a new turn signal light housing that hasn't been installed yet. Number 8. Presenting the 1957 Ford Fairlane, listed for $4,500 in Las Vegas, Nevada. This car has an automatic transmission and a blue exterior with a gray interior. The Ford Fairlane is described as being in perfect condition with a clean title. However, it does need a paint job to bring it to its full potential. The car runs strong and is characterized as a great classic car, offering a blend of vintage charm and mechanical reliability. Its sturdy build and iconic style make it a valuable addition for any classic car enthusiast or collector. Number 9. Up for sale is a 1964 Cadillac Devil sedan 4-door, priced at $5,500 in Las Vegas, Nevada. This vehicle has an automatic transmission and a green exterior with a matching interior. It's been owned by 2 people and includes all original factory options. The car is not currently running and will need the engine rebuilt, though it's also suitable for an LS swap. Number 10. For sale is a 1964 Ford Galaxy 4-door, available for $8,750 in Cambridge, Minnesota. This car comes with an automatic transmission and features a yellow exterior and a gold interior. The vehicle has a low-mileage rebuilt 390 engine with a 4-barrel C6 transmission. The interior is original with new carpet and a headliner. A new front windshield has been installed, and the back window has new rubber. The car includes a new exhaust system with Porter mufflers and new shocks, making it a great option for collectors. Number 11. Check out this 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2-door for $1,750 in Farmington, Minnesota. This vehicle is primarily offered as a parts car and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior and a red interior. Despite being listed as a parts car, the Thunderbird runs well, powered by a robust 390 motor. However, it does not come with a title, which limits its use to parts or restoration projects. The combination of a well-functioning motor and the lack of a title makes it an ideal option for those looking to salvage valuable components or undertake a comprehensive restoration project. Number 12. Lastly, we have a 1967 Saab for sale at $8,000 in Elk River, Minnesota. This hatchback is equipped with a manual transmission and has a blue exterior. It's a clean car with a 4-speed V4 engine, though it needs minor work. The car runs and drives, but not far, as the fuel filter plugs up. The fuel tank has been cleaned, but there might be something in the lines. This vehicle is ideal for serious collectors.